Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DigiByte coin. In previous days, when we had the drastic drop in the month of March, this coin has recovered more than 2000%. After that, we have seen the rally that was more than 2000%. But now, for a few days, it is again moving down. So in today's video, we will try to understand whether this is a normal correction rally, and after that, the price action will be moved more up or it will be moved more down. First of all, before starting the video, I would like to tell you that at this time, if we watch the different exchanges, then this coin is being traded with the highest trading volume and the 100% confidence of the traders and the highest liquidity rate on the Binance Exchange. Therefore, I would suggest you to trade or buy this coin on the Binance Exchange. If you don't have an account there, then I've shared the link in the video description. You can find there to create your account. Now let's start the video, and first of all, I would like to give you some recap. This was a chart that I shared on 1st August, and here I just predicted that the price action is at the support of this up channel where the price action was moving since after 27th of April 2020. And I predicted that the price action can break out this resistance of the channel. There were so many reasons behind that. I have also mentioned all these reasons in this complete article, and I've also told you in my previous video as well. And now I'm just playing this chart, and we can see that the price action has rallied more than 53%, but it has failed to break out this resistance of the channel and move down again. And after being rejected, it has even broke down this support of the up channel. If we move to the live chart this time, we can see that the price action is moving more down after breaking down this support. And this is the moon phases indicator. Whenever the price action is moving on the daily chart within any pattern, for example, here we have seen that it was moving this pattern, that is the up channel, then we can have an idea whether the price action will break out or break down, or whether the price action, if it will be moved up or moved down, then at what level it can move up or move down. For example, here we had the new full moon appeared. That is also called, you can also call it as a bullish moon or bullish signal. That was appeared at a very high altitude, and there was a big distance between the resistance of this channel and this moon. Therefore, we can I was also expecting that the price action will reach up to this level, and in order to reach up to this level, definitely it was easy for the price line to break out this resistance of the channel. That but you can see that it went very close to this new full moon, but it is again moved down and could not break out this resistance of the channel. Now if we want the new dark moon, that is a bearish moon, or you can see that you can say that this is a bearish signal that was appeared at a very high distance from the support of the channel. That was a clear signal that the price action can move up to this level, and this was the recent moon. We can see that this is the newer than this new full moon, previous full moon. So this is more reliable than this signal. Therefore, the price action moved up to this level. It has broken down the 25, 50, and 100 simple moving averages, and we can see that this 25 simple moving average is moving down. It has crossed down this 50 simple moving average. At this time, it is also crossing down this 100 simple moving average. For the people who don't know, I would like to tell them that whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is considered as a bullish or buying signal. And whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses down the bigger time period moving average, that is a sell signal, or that is also called a bearish signal. Among the traders community, they consider it as a sell signal. For example, here we had this 25 simple moving average was crossing down this 50 simple moving average, and we can see that the price action was moving down. And here the 25 simple moving average is also crossing down this 100 simple moving average, and the price action is moving more down. And now This 50 simple moving average is also turning down, and soon we can expect that it will also cross down this 100 simple moving average that can produce more bearish rally. And once this 50 simple moving average will cross down this 200 simple moving average, that will be the strongest bearish signal, because the cross between the 50 and the 200 simple moving average is considered as a very strong buying and sell signals among the traders community. Whenever this 50 simple moving average crosses up the 200 simple moving average, that is considered as a golden cross. But at this time, even though there is a hell of time in this cross that I'm expecting, you can see there that there is a big distance, but if it will be formed, then it will be called a death cross that can produce more bearish rally. I'm expecting that the price action can retest this 200 simple moving average as a support, and maybe it will be moved up from here. I'll tell you later on in this video how it is possible. First of all, I would like to show you this formation of bullish butterfly pattern that is just completed today. This was the initial leg, and after that it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the first confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern. And after that we have the C leg projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then finally it has been retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So this potential reversal zone starts from 197 satoshis and ends up to 189 satoshis. And I'm just placing the cursor here, and you can see the lowest price level at here. Then you can see that in the current candlestick, the price action has spiked up to 197 satoshis. So this leg has been completed. So we can expect that as per bullish butterfly pattern, the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish butterfly pattern, it can be reversed bullish from here. Now, if we watch on the monthly chart, then we have a very nice formation of the cup and handle formation, the pattern. And this is the resistance of the cup that we have almost at 318 satoshis. And after the formation of this cup, the price action has been retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. Maybe it will be retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. But before that, we have this 25 simple moving average. By the way, this is not the live chart. This is the chart that I have published on the 10th of September. This idea that the price action can move up from this level. If I will play this chart, I think I've already played this chart. Let me refresh it, and after that I will play this chart before you. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action is still moving in the handle of this cup, and I'm expecting that if this 25 simple moving average will be not broken down, then it will be moved up from here, and it can first break out the resistance of the handle of the cup, and after that it will try to break out this 318 satoshis, that is the resistance of the cup. But there is another situation we are having, that is the formation of the bullish shark pattern on the weekly chart. This was the monthly chart, and this is a small time period chart that I have just shared with you. This is a smaller 12-hour time period chart. This is the monthly chart where we have the cup and handle situation, and now we have this bullish shark pattern formation here on the weekly chart. For example, if this 25 simple moving average will be broken down, then I'm expecting that the price action will go for this bullish shark pattern. This is the initial leg. Then we have the retracement between 0.618 to 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have the projection between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then we have this retracement up to, so far we have this retracement up to almost 0.401 Fibonacci retracement level so far. But In order to complete this bullish shark pattern, it needs to retrace between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. So I'm not expecting at this time that this leg will be completed. I'm in favor of this cup and handle formation because we also have on this smaller time period chart the formation of this bullish butterfly pattern, and the price action has already entered in this potential reversal zone. For example, if this potential reversal zone works and the price action moves up from here, then we can expect that this cup and handle formation will be executed successfully, and the price action will be moved up from here, and it can reach up to this level to break out this 318 Satoshis resistance of the cup level. But if we will see that the price action will break down this 25 simple moving average on this monthly chart, that is a very strong moving average. It is very difficult for the price line to break down this level. However, if the price action will break down this level, then we can expect that the price action will complete this final leg of the bullish shark pattern. And in order to complete this leg, the price action needs to enter at this level, that is the 80 Satoshis to 21 Satoshis. That will be a very, very powerful bearish rally to the downside. But at this time, I'm not expecting, unless this 25 simple moving average on the monthly chart will be not broken down. Now, I would like to recall this bearish shark pattern that I posted last year on 25th of July 2019, when the price action was just entered in this potential reversal zone. This was the initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is entered here. This is the Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and that starts from 1.13 and ends up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish chart, that the final leg will be started very soon. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that so far it has produced more than 2000% rally, and it is very close to this secure sell target zone that I have defined as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish chart. But if this leg will be completed, then we still have the potential of more than 700% profit if this leg will be completed up to this level, that is from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm also sharing these targets in the video's description as well. You can find there. These are the sell target, secure sell target zone, and these are the aggressive sell target zone up to the completion of this bearish shark pattern. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.